This is the final qualitative data analysis report, and you can see the image we exported of the hierarchy chart. So this is the parents' knowledge and perceptions about the flu. You can see the image there, that the hierarchy chart that we exported, that's how we visualize. Then you can see that for every code, we include a short description and then include the quotes from the interview data. So these are the quotes from the interview data that are italicized. So one of the themes we have under parents' knowledge and perceptions about the flu is common flu symptoms. Another code is serious illness. Another code is vigilant of the flu. And another code. So those are the three main codes we have under parents' knowledge and perceptions about the flu. Then another primary theme we have is parent sources of information about the flu. And this is how we visualize it. Again, the different codes we have include materials from health professionals and the internet. Again, for the primary theme of parents' perceptions and beliefs about the flu vaccine, we have this visualization, this hierarchy chart, which is the visualization, and we have the different codes including consulting health practitioner about flu vaccine, downsides of the flu vaccine, supports vaccination. Finally, we have the code book, which includes the three primary themes and the different codes under them, and the description of what each primary theme means and what each code means. So this is the final code book that we have. So that's how you write the final qualitative data analysis report, and you visualize your results using a hierarchy chart and a code book.